Hey Victor, it's Ken here. Just want to put together this information of our business. Um, so I was thinking about your property management family company there, and I thought, well, you're actually not property management, but you're more in the rental business. But if I search for property management in this nearby city of Guelph, what we get here is like this map pack, and this is a per Google My Business Map Pack. So these companies are in there. There's a whole lot more in there. These are the top three in Guelph. So if we look at this company here, Trimby Property Management, they've got a website. And I was thinking we could do something similar to this for you. They have, their logo, their information across the top. Looks kind of update and fresh, has their property in the background, their business rating, who they are, what they stand for, their expertise. I mean, for you, it would be you wouldn't be managing properties, but it would be all about your properties. So you could talk about your principles, what kind of properties you have, what availability you have potentially, and maybe some information on your portfolio, some photos of your properties. So we can do all of that. You could do a contact us form as well. Um, they also have like about us page. So kind of about who you are, kind of give a background of your principles and what you're looking for, what areas you serve. Also, I thought was really neat was like the application requirements. We could do something like that to, if you have people emailing you or off Kijiji that want a room, you could just say, hey, check out my website, or they can go and read all about your requirements and, driver's license, credit report. And then this website has a link to the application. So they download it, fill it out, and then email it. We could do that for you, or we could have a link where they could fill it out online so they don't need to have a printer. Just fill it out online and then email it from there. Different ways of doing it. They also show their properties here, an address. We could have like a Google map here showing where all your properties are, kind of pictures, what they look like, um, you know, um, some information about it so you don't have to type it up all the time, those kind of things, or contact information down here. So I thought that was kind of an example website that is out there from Timbri Property Management that we could definitely do make look fresh. For websites that we've actually done ourselves recently, like this is one for a rental cottage, Peaceful Peninsula. So we designed it, made it look fresh, made it look interesting. You know, we have information about the cottage, the bookings there, about us pages, the gallery, all sorts of things that we've put into this website. It's about 6 pages, this website. This last property one was 8 pages. So this is a one that we do to kind of give folks an idea of the cottage that's available. And of course, the book now, where folks can go to book right away. They can go to this website and book in this cottage. So we can do that. So we did build this website. Here's another website that we do for our lead generation business, where if somebody in Belleville needs their house cleaned, they would come to our website that we built, and we would, give them a link to call us or to request a quote. They'd fill their name in here, and they would send us a link to our phone that somebody wants to reach out to us. We could get a hold of them, and we just kind of explain what we do: house cleaning professionals, cleaning service, organic cleaning, Airbnb, rental units, condos, whichever. So this is all the stuff that we do. This is a 9-page website. We have services on here. We got pages for each one. So like condos, let's say, go on there and it talks about what we do for condos and specifically information on that. Um, with different service areas, contact information. And then lastly, this is our branches leads website, which you probably have seen maybe. but this is our homepage. This is our business website. So this is the kind of things that we do: website build, site hosting, content writing, refreshing, SEO, GMBs, all these type of things. So website builds for you, for your property business. What we do is the different packages, like a 3-page website would be around the 750 mark. A 5-page website would be around the 1,000 mark, one-time fee. And then, to build a more elaborate 10-page, maybe with, a page dedicated for each one of your properties, be in the 15.99 range. And of course, depending on custom things, we can go from there, or keep it as simple or as complex as you want. Um, and then also for that's the building of your website, and then for hosting it. So making sure it's online, making sure that it doesn't get hacked into, it's backed up, that you have a domain name set up. We do offer site hosting. So the basic one is like $30 a month, and that means we take care of the website, make sure it's updated, it's hosted, we pay for the domain, we back up that one. But any kind of updates that you could do it, or your daughter could do the updates to it. Or if you want us to take care of the updates for you, we do, the 10 updates a month, adding pictures, adding information for rental availability, etc. Just take care of managing all of it for you. And if you have 2 websites kind of thing. So that's, the cost to take care of the website ongoing after it's been built. So yeah, so that's kind of who we are, and the kind of the sites that we've done, and kind of what we can do for you. The lead gens, maybe for your we could help you out with. That's not the lead gen. This one. This one we could help out for your mortgage, or your um, the life insurance. We could get you some leads that way too. We could build some properties, some sites like this, and get some leads going for that as well. So yeah, so hopefully that gives you understanding, Victor, of what we can do, and kind of the costs. So I'll end the recording now, and I'll reach out to you and go from there. All right, Victor, have a great day. Bye.